I'm Liesl Dromey. I'm the chair of the Music and Theater Department. The Performing Arts degree is a new program. It has 3 concentrations in theater, voice, and piano. My favorite part about teaching voice is seeing the individual development.
Voice lessons with Professor Dromey are my favorite time of the week. I get to go to her office and she really listens to my voice for its comfortability level that day. She gets to assess where I am that day and gears the lesson towards that. So it's very comfortable for the students. It helps us grow, helps us mature in our voices.
One of the great things about JBU is that students of all disciplines are involved in our program. Our theater classes are hands-on opportunities for students to get in the nitty-gritty of what it is to make theater. We do 4 productions a year, 2 musicals and 2 plays. And for a school of our size, that's a significant number of opportunities for the students. We have students who are designing all areas of production. We have costume designers and lighting designers and sound designers and scenic designers that work with me and work with our production team to fully realize their ideas. Not only are students given an overview of this art form, they're asked to think critically about theater's place in culture and where it has been and where it is going.
As a professor of piano here at John Brown, it is my honor to guide students to become the best pianist, whether they want to continue to serve in the church, develop a worship ministry, to be a music educator, or to be a piano performer. Whatever that looks like to them, it's just a wonderful thing to see them on their journey there. What I love most is just the connection with the students and seeing them break through and to develop their own artistry and to be able to dig in and get a little bit deeper into music without the guidance. Here at JBU, we have a really healthy community and each student really builds each other up. We've come together to give each other feedback, perform together, do some collaboration, and it's just a really beautiful community to be a part of.
It's the most beautiful thing from that first lesson to their senior recital to see the growth and see them own who they are as a person and own who they are as a child of God.